Hi everyone. Today we are going to do more dividing, but this time we're going to switch it up and divide a whole number by a fraction. So, whole number by a fraction, and that there is an assignment. I think I messed up the last video. There's an assignment for this as well. So we're going to divide a whole number by a fraction today. So if you're doing this on your own, you might want to work with a partner on this, because the first thing we're going to do in class is in a group or as a partner, you're going to create a model for one of these questions. So what would it look like if we did how many half miles are in 12 miles, or how many quarters are in 5 hours, how many 1/3 cups are in 9 cups, how many 1/8 pizzas are in 4 pizzas, how many 1/5 are in 7. It could be an area model, it could be fraction bars, it could be a picture, like if you want to draw a picture of 4 pizzas, whatever you want to do to model this. So again, if you were in class, you would be doing this. So right now, in class, you're going to put your group names, write the division, write the multiplication, and you're going to make a draft of the model, and that's going to go on the poster to hang. So this you're just going to answer here, but the model you want as a poster to hang. All right, if you did not have an opportunity to attend class and you're watching this working ahead, I want to show you what some of the models might look like. For example, how many half miles are in 12 miles? So I started first by drawing a number line representing my 12 miles. And then how many half miles are in there? Well, each one could be split into a half mile. So I'm splitting each one into a half mile. So how many? So this is what my model would look like. And then I can count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's 24 of them. And then students will write the division question. So what division question would it look like? So 12 divided by 1/2. Or we can say that we were taking our 12 and we were multiplying it into, we're splitting it into 2 different sections, so 2 sections to get our 24. So that's what the group should be doing in class. So let's do a couple more of these. How many quarter hours are in 5 hours? So we're taking our 5 hours and we're dividing it into quarters, which means that we have to take our 5 hours and multiply it by 4, because each of these 1/2s are being split into 4 pieces. How many 1/2 cups? 1/3 cups are in 9. So we're taking our 9 and dividing it by 1/3, which means that we're multiplying by 3, because we have our 9 and we're splitting it into 3 parts. Okay, this problem is a little bit different. It says Molly uses 9 cups of flour. So remember to be an engaged reader, an active reader, and highlight 9 cups of flour to bake bread. Okay, I'm going to pause here because I haven't said it yet. Please remember, you should not just be watching this video. You should be taking notes, being an active learner, taking responsibility for your learning, not just watching the video. Okay, so Molly uses 9 cups. If this is 3/4 of the total, what was the original amount of flour? So this is a little bit different because we don't know the total amount. We have to find the total amount. So our model is going to be a little bit different. So like what we were doing in the past, like in yesterday's, I'm going to start by making a model to show 3/4. So here are fourths. She used 3 of them. Okay, so 3/4, and that equaled our 9 cups. So if 3 pieces, or 3/4, equaled 9, that means each one of these 3 should represent 3 cups. So each one of the fourths should equal 3 cups. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So it stands to reason if every fourth is 3, this last fourth had 3 as well. So we can determine that there was 12 cups total. So mathematically what we are doing is we are taking our 9 cups and dividing it by 3/4. So 9 divided by 3 was 3, and then we had to take 4 pieces of it to get the 12. All right, so George bought 12 pizzas for a birthday party. If each person will eat 3/8 of a pizza, how many people can George feed? So again, you should be highlighting. There's 12 pizzas. Each person will get 3/8, which means the pizzas are cut into 8s possibly. And there's no good right way to model this. So when I see pizza, I think of making circles, but I don't want to draw out 12 circles and then split them into 8s. If you do, that's fine. I'm going to use a different approach. I'm going to think about what it's asking. What it's asking is, how many times does 3/8 go into 12? So 12 divided by 3/8. Or I can think of it as 3/8 of what number is 12. So we want to know how many times does 3/8 go into 12, or 3/8 of what number is 12. So that's the fact family stuff. So I'm going to start by drawing my model. So I have my 3/8 right here. My 3/8 of what number is 12? So 3/8 is 12. So we have to take this and separate this 12 into 3 separate pots. So, like this. So we're taking 12 divided by 3 to get our 4. But there are 8 different sections. So 4 times 8, we would feed 32 people total. This one is a little easier to model because the Lopez family adopted 6 miles. If each family member cleans 3/4 of a mile, how many are needed? So again, what we're trying to see is, 6, how many times does 3/4 go into 6? Or we can say 3/4 of what number is 6? 3/4 of what number is 6? So like the first 2 problems ago, we know that 3/4 is 6. So we can figure out if 3 of these equal 6, each one has to equal 2. 2, 4, 6. And so this last one would also equal 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 8 family members total. Okay, hopefully you were an active learner taking ownership. Your assignment is very short for this. It's a PDF. You can also start 10 marks if you would like, but there are 3 problems where it is written out for you like this. So you have to just remember how to set that up in a model. So this really means 3/4 of what number is 6. So we took 6, it was 3/4, so we found that each section was 2, and then added it back onto this last section. So 3 of your problems are like this, and then you have 1 word problem. All right, let's get it done. Just do it.